Everyone, my name is Karan Vyas. Welcome to our YouTube channel Fusion for Science. We are dealing with ISC level chemistry, chapter 1, some basic concepts of chemistry. So students, up till now we have learned that why chemistry is important, what is the role of chemistry in our day-to-day life, and which are the 4 branches of a chemistry. Now, let's take it further to understand what is matter. So what is matter? The fight which you do outside your school is known as matter. No, not at all. In chemistry, the definition of matter is anything which has mass and occupies space, which you can perceive through your senses. ऐसी कोई भी चीज जिसका मास हो, जो स्पेस ऑक्यूपाई करे, जो तुम अपने सेंसेस से उसको फील कर सकते हो, दैट इज मैटर. दिस मैटर इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 2 टाइप्स, फिजिकल एंड केमिकल. In physical, we know the 3 states of matter, that is solid, liquid and gas. Solid, liquid and gas. In chemical, the matter is further divided into 2 types, elements and compounds. So students, what are elements? Elements, it is the purest form of a matter which is only made up of one type of an atoms. It is considered as an element. And what are compounds? When 2 or more than 2 elements combined, chemically combined in a fixed ratio is known as compounds. These elements, students, were further divided into 3 types. That is metals, non-metals and metalloids. Another way where this chemically the matter is classified in the 3rd form, that is mixtures. Mixtures can be 2 types, homogeneous and heterogeneous. Now, if you see, what are mixtures? When 2 or more than 2 substances combine in any ratio, the ratio is not important. That time the substance is known as, or that chemical is known as mixtures. Homogeneous mixture means when 2 or more substances mix well, will form a uniform layer, a single layer, that is considered as a homogeneous mixture. For example, salt and water. When you mix salt and water, जब नमक को पानी में मिक्स करते हो तो एक ही लेयर बनती है, तो वो होमोजेनियस मिक्सचर हुआ. तेल और पानी को मिक्स करो तो तुम्हें 2 अलग-अलग लेयर दिखेगी, वो हेटेरोजेनियस मिक्सचर होगा, 2 different layers. So hence this is the basic classification of a matter, students. Now let us continue the further part of this chapter. If you see, the further part of this chapter is significant numbers and variables. Significant numbers and variables. So students, let us understand what is this significant numbers and variables. From the word variable, क्या समझता है? Variable means what? The one which varies, the one which change, जो बदल रहा है, जो vary हो रहा है. So the variables is something in which we are going to understand that what something is going to change. Let's see what will be going to change. So before that, we see variables are of 2 types: discrete variable and continuous variable. Discrete variable and continuous variable. Discrete, the meaning of the word discrete means the one which is fixed. The one which is fixed, जो फिक्स होता है उसको डिस्क्रीट बोलते हैं. जैसे कि अगर तुम दुकान वाले के पास जो से बोलो 5 पेंसिल दो तो तुम्हें 5 पेंसिल ही देगा, फिक्स्ड वैल्यू. सो द वन व्हिच इज फिक्स्ड, द वेरिएबल whose value is fixed is known as discrete variable. अगर तुम उसे 12 डजन बोलोगे तो वो तुम्हें 12 डजन बोलोगे मतलब 1 डजन में तुम्हें 12 चीजें देगा, करेक्ट. तो 12 डजन में 144 चीजें मिलेगी. सेम वे, what is continuous variable then? Continuous variable means the value of the substance changes depending upon the instrument which you have taken. अगर मैं 1 किलो चावल को मेजर करूं एक पैन से या एक इलेक्ट्रॉनिक बैलेंस से, सो हर बार मेरी वैल्यूज अलग-अलग होंगे, बट that is considered as a continuous variable because the value changes is totally depend upon the instrument which you have taken. जो instrument लोगे उसके हिसाब से तुम्हारी values change हो रही है. It is a continuing process. Hence this is a continuous variable.